Iran launches unprecedented attack on Israel, overwhelming defenses. On June 16, 2025, Iran carried out a significant missile and drone attack on Israel, launching over 300 projectiles from multiple territories. The sophisticated assault targeted civilian infrastructure and military sites in Tel Aviv, utilizing a multi-pronged approach that included cyber sabotage. Despite Israel's advanced defense systems, the sheer volume of the attack reportedly overwhelmed defenses, with only 62% of threats intercepted, leading to extensive damage and power outages. This event marks a dramatic shift in Iranian military doctrine from proxy warfare to direct confrontation, challenging Israel's long-held military advantages.